Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 12i, and today I would like to show you how you can rename this device. First of all, just access settings. Now click on My Phone section over here at the top and choose device name. After that you can type in wherever you wish to. I will go with strange. And when you're ready, choose OK. As you can see, after clicking OK in this device name pop-up, name of my smartphone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!